What causes a toothache? The answer is so simple it's going to surprise you. Stress. Stress in anything in life, your body, cars, bridges, trees, grass, road, weather, whatever it is, stress. That's what changes anything from its normal state. And just like a tooth, you can have stress on it, it can be a toothache. What can cause this stress? Typically chemical, emotional, or physical stress. So you fall down on a bike, hit your tooth on the ground, it breaks. That's a physical stress that can cause a toothache. Emotional, a lot of stress going in life. Excuse me. A lot of stress in life, and so therefore your immune system is down. You're not fighting off the bacteria, viruses, what have you, to keep at an equilibrium in your body. And guess what happens? You are more prone to get cavities, so you can get a toothache. That can cause a toothache. But more than likely, it's probably a chemical stress from the food you eat, not brushing your teeth, creating an environment that it just has a lot of chemicals from bacteria, acid, what have you, which is creating that chemical stress. There you go. Medicine is very, very simple. Dentistry is very, very simple. All of the things that go wrong are created by stress. And that is what you got to identify what's causing the problem. Stress. So now you know what causes it. Now you got to do what you got to do is make sure you do the things to help prevent that stress and rectify that situation. All right, there I am again. Just walking through my little neighborhood on a nice fall sunny day. I hope that helped. Any questions? Let me know. Leave me a message below, comment, and we'll answer them for you.